Welcome. If you're a Telegram group owner and you want to prevent yourself from editing stories on Telegram web using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest updates, Telegram gives you more control over your group's story permissions, including restricting even the owner's ability to edit stories. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you are the owner. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page where you can see all the details and settings for your group. On this page, find and click the Edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol. This opens up the group management menu. Now, from the list of settings, select the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your own name or the owner label to access your specific permissions. In this permissions menu, look for the option labeled Edit Stories. This setting controls whether the owner can edit stories posted in the group. To prevent yourself from editing stories, simply disable or toggle off the Edit Stories permission. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the menu. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your new settings won't take effect. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully restricted the group owner, yourself, from editing stories on Telegram web. This feature can be useful if you want to ensure that stories remain untouched after posting, or if you're setting up a group with strict content policies. Remember, Telegram is always updating its features, so keeping an eye on new permissions can help you maintain the level of control you want in your group. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram community with confidence.